Good morning all, MacVlogs here, aka Ian. Yes, another Comic Con weekend, another first for me. Like I said, if you've been watching my previous videos and you follow me, I want to do some more Comic Cons and support local events and attractions to myself. So I am here at Kilbride Shopping Centre for the BGCP. It's a free Comic Con at the Kilbride Shopping Centre. So let's go and find out what's going on, who's here, and all that stuff. So come and join me in today's vlog. Day one, it's on for 2 days. I'll see how I got on if I want to come back tomorrow. But for day one here at the BGCP Comic Con, Kilbride Shopping Centre, let's go and have some fun. So the car is parked up. I am now going to go down the stairs and head in to the Kilbride Shopping Centre. My first time at this Comic Con. So I am at the centre west side of Kilbride Shopping Centre. Let's go in. Like I say, it's my first time here at this Comic Con. Let's get inside and see what we can see. There we go, we're now inside. There's an actual chair made of Nerf guns and all Nerf accessories. Look at that. There's actually a foam fest, a Nerf convention. Not here, but how cool is that? So I've came up the escalators upstairs to the next level, and you'll find more stalls. I'm going to walk around the stalls just now. I don't know how much I can record because there's going to be a lot of people at the stalls, and they're not massive stalls, but you see some downstairs as well. So we'll start upstairs, walk along and work our way down. Got a few good cosplays as well, so we can see who we can spot. I see quite a lot of the First Order over there. Star Wars First Order has arrived, taken over. So let's go for a walk and see what we can find and see. So just looking down from above. Quite a lot of stores down, stairs, on the first level, the ground level. I'm going to continue walking. I don't know how much there is here, but it's my first time here, so I'm going to keep walking, but there's a lot going on down there. So just moving along, again, looking down below, more stalls. Some really cool stuff that I can see. A lot of t-shirts, a lot of pops. I see some pins, some comics, some jewellery, toys. What is that? Is that a puppet? The puppets there as well? Can you see that there? I'm going to go back downstairs. That seems to be where most of the action is. That's the droid that we're looking for. Poor Han Solo. Thank you, have a good day, thank you. So yes, I bought a pin. I like this Good Guys, the Chucky pin. That was pretty cool. So I bought that so far. Not bought anything else just yet. Still time. I need to go get something to eat, I think. So I've ended up getting a Greg's, got 2 cheeses and pasties, brought lime brew. We're going to sit and chill. We'll have these just now. Starting to get really busy now. No, I was needing that, Greg's. Enjoyed that. Now I'm going to continue walking and see what else we can get up to and see.
Cross the steam fan. If you press that button there, it vibrates and it makes rumbles. Go shot. Press that button there. Feel it? It all vibrates and all that goes crazy.
Detect it. Oh!
That's found Slimer. Found Slimer.
You've got a wee tiny one, haven't you? Mine's broken. Yours broken? Oh no.
How cool are these? Look at this. This. It's so cool, all these masks and the shields. Try to get into the lift. Oh, he's getting squeezing it. Oh, now we know that transformer can fit in a lift.
Story are based on the Reza gang. We used to call them the Beanie Boys. They're more like Peaky Blinders. It's a story that follows the character coming from a planet being attacked by nano-robotic invaders and comes to Earth to find answers to save his planet. His mother is human and the dad is an alien, so he's a half-breed. So his world does not accept him, but he's now taking a lot of faith to come and see if humans can help. But on his journey, he crashes with the Reza gang, led by the Stave. Stave is trying to prove that he can lead the gang. So there are two characters on a journey to self-discovery, and their journey is intertwined. I've used real landmarks in this story, like the Titan crane, to create mothership. And these warships are based on basic history and form to kind of like bring the two cultures together. So it's quite a personal story. Every character is real people, real family and friends. And I use my mom that I lost growing up as the queen mother to kind of like keep her alive and have this conversation that I never had with her. So yeah, so every comic book as well, finally, has a soundtrack on Spotify that I've made. Something extra you can listen to. So this is DJ E.T. So the character is E.T. When he's not fighting crime, he's a DJ, right? So this is Love for an Alien. It talks about the arrival of the alien in issue 1. So something extra for the readers to consume. So yeah, feel free to have a look and let me know if you got questions.
Absolutely, that sounds amazing.
Yeah. Because I'm a filmmaker, so I'm pretty good at drawing storyboards, so I start with arranging how the characters are going to look in each panel, and then I hand over to Ben, who is an artist I work with. He's more experienced than me in comic books, so he just brings it to life. It's the collaboration to make as good work as possible. Yeah. So they're £8 unsigned and £10 signed. And you see Queen Elizabeth Hospital in Glasgow. I try and make it as real as possible. Absolutely. Yeah. No worries, appreciate it. Thank you. No worries. You too. Cheers.
So I'll have your first one and see one of your cards as well.
Okay.
Does it come in the case?
Yeah, it comes in the case, but if you open it, it's all safe. But if you have one of these, you have one of the 100. So it's only 100 of these that I've made.
Alright, okay.
Yeah.
Go for it.
I'll sign this and yeah.
Fantastic.
Keep this one in the case. I think it should be fine. Yeah.
We've got the mask here as well. So it's Etienne Kibwabo.
That's my 10th attempt on the mask. I don't want to see the 9 that failed. I kept them as evidence, you know.
No, of course. It's all part of the journey.
Yeah.
So I'll put the QR code here for Beats of War. So check out. Cheers again, all the best, thank you.
Cheers, thank you.
That was pretty cool meeting Etienne there from Beats of War. I bought the first edition comic and he signed it for me, so thank you very much. And I bought a card as well, so I'll try and put a video clip in the video just now of that, and I'll put a link down below of his story and a link basically to Beats of War. So thanks for taking the time to chat, really cool to meet you, really wish you all the best, such a fantastic comic, and yeah, you've got to show him and that comic support, really cool. So check the link down below, and I'm going to go for a walk again and see what else we can see and get up to. It is starting to get a little bit late, so I think it's about 3 o'clock just now, but I haven't showed the plan yet of the Comic Con, so I'll show that just now of where and what things are and what we're doing and what things are on and all that stuff, so I'll show you that just now. So this is the site plan. We want to aim for Debenhams shopping, or shop, in the highlighted areas. Show different areas, so you've got trader zones, cosplay contest, meet and greets, gaming workshops, prop and op. What's that, sorry, props and photo ops, and the Nerf shooting range. So this is what's going on there. It's all here, first floor and ground floor. And there is some of the upstairs mall space, downstairs mall space. What really cool is over 40 different traders. Like I say, it's a free entry here. You just turn up to the shopping centre and have a good day. But just now it's just after 3 o'clock. Let's go and see what else we can get up to. There's some really cool art here. Quite fitting that I have some Star Wars folk next to me. We've got Jimmy V on the table next door, which I'm going to go and meet in a moment and hopefully get his autograph. He plays R2D2 in Star Wars.
You want it silver there, you want it black?
Yeah, silver there.
Silver there.
Yeah, I'll go for that.
Just do autograph, right?
Autograph, right? Cheers, buddy.
And that one?
Aye, go for it.
Just do autograph this as well?
Aye, please.
There you go, my man.
Thank you.
Thank you. And you, bud. Thank you. Cheers.
See you, buddy. Thank you. That was pretty awesome meeting Jimmy V, who was here. It was £20 for a signature, £20 for a selfie. I bought 2 pictures with signatures in it, so I think I caught that on the clip. I'll put that in already, hopefully. another hour left, it's 4 o'clock, we'll see what else I can get up to and then I'm going to call it a day. But yeah, let's see what else we can do before I head home. So I'm back at the Nerf gun chair. I'm going to have a look close at some of the guns. I never got a chance to get close to them last time at the beginning of the video because it was busy. But have a look at these cool kind of Nerf guns and some hats as well. Well, helmets, hats, helmets. Really got Judge Dredd.
There you go, you have it, Sean. Okay, so Mike's goes back in. That's slides all the way forward. Fire all the way back, make sure it clicks, and all the way forward again. Okay?
So it's just about 20 past 4 and it's starting to get really quiet just now. So I think our plan is to kind of call it a day here. It's been good, I've met some really cool folk and some new people and awesome traders as well. I haven't bought much today, which is a shocker, I know. But yeah, as you can see it's getting really quiet. So yeah, I think I'm going to give it maybe another 10 minutes, another little walk round, and then that'll be me head back to the car. So that's it, I'm back in the car. Had a really cool day here at the BGCP Comic Con in East Kilbride Shopping Centre. It's free and a lot of folk are putting a lot of effort into it, which I can see, and yeah, I really appreciate that as well. So support them, support local, that's my goal this year as well, as much as I can. I do have obviously trips away around UK and abroad, as we know if you follow me. But yeah, really cool characters, some meet and greets, great stalls, and I got to meet Jimmy V as well, and also got to meet some really cool creators as well for all sorts, to be honest, from jewellery to comics to everything. So I did buy a few things. I'll put some clips in through the video as I go, but just now I am about to leave the car park because I need to pay for a coin to go through, so I don't want that to expire. So I'm going to leave just now. I'm going to end the vlog there, and yeah, that's really it. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Different from me, I know, but I'm going to try and get to more Comic Cons. I don't think I'm going to come tomorrow for day 2. I think I really captured everything that I want to see today. Really cool day. So yeah, sorry, I keep looking because I need to get out of this car park. So thank you for watching. You know what to do. Click subscribe, like, comment, follow me on social media, hit the links down below to support some folk that I met today, and yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, bye bye.